everyone. Today, I'm here at Mount Literacy School, Danapur. I'm Manvi. Me, Pari. We are here to celebrate the Enthusiastic Science Exhibition Session 2025 to 26. Please come along with us and have a look on this creative science exhibition. Held with our respected principal, ma'am, Miss Rinki Giri. Wow, what a majestic way of inauguration it is. Let's welcome it all with a huge round of applause. Wow, what a majestic way of inauguration it is.
This type of drone for Ukraine war.
This is a unisexual and can be used by children and can also be used for medical emergencies at home for adults, and this also it can be used for children also. When children are roaming or playing outside and if someone kidnaps them, this can be used that. This device has a large scope in future to provide that.
Ma'am, it can also detect obstacle, and when it will detect, it will automatically come backwards. Look, ma'am, it's coming backwards. So, do you know that an average driver spends 17 hours a year just to look for a perfect parking slot? But this IoT-based automation parking system turned the stressful conversation into a seamless and helpful way. So, this is a Smart X parking system. Okay, so can you please introduce yourself and tell us the name of your model?
It is a smart parking system. As we know, India's growing population and the limited space of parking. So it is a model in which if places are not available, the parking will not be open.
Okay, so what inspired you to choose this particular topic?
Few days ago, I went to Mahavir Mandir, Patna. There was a lot of traffic congestion. So it inspired me to make this project.
So what materials did you use to make this project?
As you can see, there is obviously a cardboard and 4 wheels in there. There are also 3-volt batteries and also Arduino, which is the main thing obviously. This part of the Arduino is known as the Uno, and here you can see there is an antenna, and obviously there are a lot of wires.
Your project was really good. So please briefly introduce yourself and tell us how your model works.
Hi, I am Prashant and he is my group member Aditya Rathore. We have today make a RFID card attendance system. This is a normal ID card and this is a RFID card. I am punching it, it will be present and it will be and it will be stored in our database that how much days the student is present. And we have a unknown ID card also. When we punch this here, this will show that the access is denied for that student.
So this is a smart agriculture, a revolutionary path for the Indians and many more countries. This acts as a drone which keeps an eye on the farm, and every drop of water is kept at an eye so that it could not be wasted. Conserve energy and in using houses. It is very impressive. It truly shows how students convert theoretical knowledge into practical demonstrations. Well and good. Thank you so much. Smart shoes for blind people. While the white cane has been a revolutionary for decades, now this would be a new method for the blind people. This will help them identify the obstacle without it can be even touched. Please show us how your model works.
As we know that blind people can't see, so if we switch this on, so if any obstacle comes in between, the sensor detects it a bit from the range of 5 to 10 meters. For example, Manvi is there, Manvi please beside, and then it stops, and when any obstacle comes in between, it starts beeping so that the man gets aware and alert about the obstacle. Thank you.
Now we have seen many creative models full of knowledge, hard work, and practical understanding. Let's see one more innovative model prepared by our students of class 8. Elephant toothpaste is understandable. Now, what's this fire on hands?
In this fire on hands, we burn fire on our hands. This is a base solution and it is a soap solution. The only thing which you have to do is wet our hands and blow the butane can inside this water and then pick it up and burn it. After burning it up, your hands will not get burned. It will only get heated up and it is a completely safe reaction.
So please demonstrate it.
Not be ready. Wet your hands. Now we will make butane gases. You have to lift one gas up, forming the butane bubbles. Lift the butane bubbles safely up. Light it on fire. Let's see.
Wow, my hand didn't burn. It was an amazing experience. I loved it. Thank you so much, Creative Mind.
Welcome it all.
Seniors have given their best. Now let's go to our younger creative minds and see what they have done. Let's come. A solar system, and she has put every gear systematically. Everything is compact, and with this hand movement, she is moving the solar system. Wow, hats off to you, little tots. Outside, we saw the young minds doing technology, but here the little tots will show us that how the nature works. Apart from technology and creativity, our school has also organized a musical band who is entertaining parents. Let's have a glimpse of these instrumental songs. Apart from scientific knowledge, let's move to our culture, Indian history, social science projects. This heritage site shows our Indian culture and celebrates our past. Just now Manvi has explained and I have seen many creative models, whereas innovative students have prepared their models with huge of hard work. I really want to have a feedback, please.
Very good morning. It's my second science exhibition. My one daughter is staying in class 6 and one son is saying class 2. So I'm very glad to see this type of project is doing child and music also there. So this is very encouraging for the our good for the talent of child. It's a very thing. So मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि इतने अच्छे प्रोग्राम के लिए मैं माउंट लिट्रा को बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि बच्चों में एक सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. इट्स वेरी करेज. थैंक यू माउंट लिट्रा.
अभी तक का सबसे बेस्ट स्कूल यहाँ का सबसे बेस्ट टीचर, बेस्ट स्कूल, बेस्ट स्टूडेंट माउंट लिट्रा की.
Today was a very enthusiastic day full of fun, majestic and full of scientific concepts. But now this journey comes to an end. We have observed the scientific robots, modifications, SST projects as well as the robotics. Today's day was very enthusiastic, full of knowledge, scientific concepts. But now this journey comes to an end. So thanks for watching and we will invite you to the next year.